Hello everyone, just some quick EDD updates. We have another consecutive week of progress being made when it comes to those pending payments finally being pushed through to paid. This is as a result of claimants either speaking to EDD by phone, working with their state assembly member or state senator, and in some cases even happening automatically. One of the biggest obstacles for some of you getting those pending payments pushed through continues to be waiting for an interview to take place with the EDD. This week, we have been hearing a quoted 8-week wait time for interviews. Now, possible reasons for the interview could be information the EDD has does not match your claim application, such as employment dates and reason why you're no longer employed at your previous job, such as a layoff versus being terminated, or if your former employer is disputing your claim with the EDD, which they have the ability to do. The problem has been many people were not aware that an interview being needed was the cause of their pending payments in the first place, because EDD has not informed them that was the case. While we are finally seeing some reports of claimants now being notified by EDD through UI online message or receiving a letter like this in the mail that they have been scheduled for an interview. There have been questions from some about receiving this letter in their UI online inbox this week. Simply what it is you've reached the end of your benefit year, at which time the EDD need to determine whether to keep you on your existing federal extension or move you over to a new regular UI claim based on earnings. And in most cases, those on existing PEUC claims are just being kept on that claim rather than being moved over to a regular UI claim. This determination must be made on all claims except PUA claims, so it is really a standard procedure. Another problem being reported is not receiving payments due to disqualifications. Now, if disqualifications is a newer problem that just started occurring, I would first suggest go back to your weekly certifications that are showing as disqualified and check your answers to the weekly certification questions. Make sure everything is answered correctly. One claimant did let us know earlier this week she answered a question incorrectly during her Week 2 certification that caused this problem and had to call into EDD to have it corrected. Disqualifications is something that will not be corrected automatically, so you will need to call into the EDD to get this type of problem resolved. Another change some people lately have been reporting is no longer being required to list 3 job contacts per week, as seen here in question 3. Now, others have reported not seeing this requirement for some time when certifying for weekly benefits. Instead, this is what question 3 appears for a lot of you, just simply asking if you did look for work. Now, some have reported they were no longer asked to list those job contacts after the latest extension of benefits was applied to their accounts. Currently, as of this video, California has not reinstated the work search requirement, but it is always a good idea to keep your own records of those weekly job searches. Yet another issue some are still reporting is those negative account balances, which seems to occur after a new claim has been filed. One explanation given for those is a glitch allowed benefits to be paid out to a person on a new claim that was actually not valid instead of being paid out on the old claim type, in most cases an extension. Those who reported getting the issue fixed did have to call in to resolve this matter. For those with outstanding issues, besides checking your UI online inbox, make sure to check for emails coming from the EDD, especially time-sensitive ones like seen here requesting address verification. When it comes to address verification, utility bills, bank statements, and rental agreements are acceptable forms of documents to upload as proof to the EDD. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation, including waiting on the latest backlogged claim numbers to see how much progress the EDD has made, especially with those pending payments. Let us know in the comments section below your current problem, and make sure to click on that subscribe button for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.